Today, we're exploring the journey of Joe Rosebrook, a notorious figure in Ohio's criminal history, known for running a large-scale car theft ring and for multiple murder-for-hire plots. His story is one of a long criminal enterprise and a persistent evasion of justice that ultimately led to his final conviction. So, where is Joe Rosebrook now? Let's find out. Joe Rosebrook ran a major vehicle chop shop operation in Union and Logan counties, Ohio, for decades. In 2005, he was finally facing serious charges related to this enterprise. While awaiting trial, he hired an associate named Daniel C. Ott to kill a key witness in the case. However, Daniel C. Ott went to the authorities instead, and Rosebrook was convicted and sentenced to 10 years in prison for conspiracy to commit murder and other crimes. After serving his 10-year sentence, Rosebrook was released from prison in March 2014 and moved to Florida. But his vendetta was not over. While in prison, he had conspired with a fellow inmate, Chad South, to kill the original hitman, Daniel C. Ott. In a tragic case of mistaken identity, South went to the wrong house in Geauga County in 2006 and fatally shot the homeowner, Daniel E. Ott, a 1-year-old landscaper who shared the same first and last name as the intended target, but had no connection to Rosebrook. Where is Joe Rosebrook now? As of now, Joe Rosebrook is serving a life sentence in prison without the possibility of parole. He was arrested in Florida in 2015 and extradited to Ohio to face charges for the mistaken identity murder. In September 2016, a jury convicted him of aggravated murder, conspiracy, and kidnapping charges. During his sentencing in October 2016, a judge sentenced him to life in prison without parole. Rosebrook has maintained his innocence, but his conviction has been upheld on appeal. The man who pulled the trigger, Chad South, was also convicted and is serving a separate prison sentence. Joe Rosebrook's story highlights a life of persistent criminality that ended with a life behind bars. His actions, driven by a desire for revenge, led to the senseless death of an innocent man. He will spend the rest of his life in prison, a consequence of a long history of evading justice that finally caught up with him. Thanks for watching the channel. If you want more episodes on people involved in high-profile cases and where they are now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.